Hey guys, it's Kenny, owner of Fit Therapy of Texas.
Hi, I'm Tracy, licensed professional counselor and co-owner of Fit Therapy of Texas.
I'm here to tell you about the New You program that's starting next month, January 2nd. We're accepting 19 people. We're accepting 19 people for 2019. You're getting a whole bunch with this program. But first, did you know that 9 out of 10 or 90% of people do not continue with their New Year's resolution? Well, after 2019, I promise you will not do that anymore. We'll keep you going well into the new year, well into the next year, well into the next year. You'll get a lot with this program. You get 12 PT sessions that will be discounted. With that, you'll get a meal plan, you'll get a full body assessment, a lean fat to body fat calculation, weekly weigh-in, accountability. Did I mention the meal plan? You're gonna get a lot of information with that. We got a full meal plan we can send to you digitally, or 80 pages of nutrition calculation. You'll get your macronutrients, you'll get your total calories, stretchers. There's a lot of information here, guys. There's a lot you can get for this.
And what makes us different and how we're going to help you to be successful this year that's different is we're going to provide you with stress management training, which is going to be done by a licensed professional counselor. So we're going to teach you how to have a better relationship with your body, food, and your mind.
So if you're looking for a sign, you click that link above or below to sign up and apply for one of our spots of the 19 spots for a New You program. And you can check us out on our website. It's www.fittherapyoftexas.com. Remember, we're the mind and body transformation experts. We'll see you next year.